welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on PayPal. So if PayPal is not sending you the verification issue by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in the control center. After that, make sure you entered the correct phone number or email linked to your PayPal account. Next, check if the PayPal app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for PayPal and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the PayPal app. For that, you need to press and hold the PayPal app icon and then tap on Remove App and then delete it. You can reinstall the PayPal app from the App Store again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a second and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from PayPal server or security system. If there is high traffic or maintenance, verification codes may be delayed or not sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix verification code not received issue on PayPal. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.